Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Idli Upma updated. Start by crumbling idlis into uniform pieces and press lightly to remove excess moisture. Then heat oil and add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and chana dal until they sizzle. Sauté finely chopped onions and green chilies until soft. Fold in turmeric and salt, then mix in the crumbled idlis and cook until heated. Finish with lemon juice and cilantro for brightness. Keep flavors balanced by layering spices and textures thoughtfully so each bite feels lively and satisfying. Start with whole spice tempering, then build savory notes with sautéed onions and a pinch of turmeric. Fold in roasted peanuts for crunch and finish with lemon for a clean lift. Taste and adjust salt and chili levels as needed to suit your palate, and garnish with fresh cilantro for a fragrant finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers because they make storing idli upma and meal prep so much easier and mess-free, and they save me time during busy mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them too. Now let's get back to the video. Idli Upma is versatile and pairs well with many accompaniments to suit different moods and meals. Try it with coconut chutney for a traditional touch or a tangy tomato chutney for contrast. It also makes a comforting combo with a warm cup of filter coffee or tea. Leftovers reheat beautifully with a little water to restore moisture, and you can add fresh herbs or roasted peanuts when serving to revive texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.